Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on G+3 Building Design using Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in the previous videos we are applying pile foundation. The type of pile we had selected was end bearing piles and we had given a diameter of 250 mm. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, please go and have a look. So in this video, we'll design the pile foundation. So as the pile foundation was already applied, we can simply design it now. So we'll go to our properties after selecting all the piles, and then in the properties option, we'll check the concrete grade M20 and the reinforcement grade FE500 is provided or not. So the concrete grade is M20, and as you can see, the side cover is 75 mm, which is okay, and the soil unit weight, we can change this to 18 kilonewton per meter cube. So the soil unit weight is 18 kilonewton per meter cube, which can be used for sand filling. And after that, we will simply go to our option of design pile caps under the heading foundation. So we'll simply click on design pile caps. Now as you can see that the piles are showing failed. So if they're green they will pass, but it is red in color, so they are failing. So some piles are also passing. So we can simply change the diameter of the pile or the length of the pile so that they pass. So this is a trial and error method which can be corrected with experience. Now I simply deleted the piles and then edit the properties. So you can simply change the compressive resistance and tensile resistance, and let us check whether now we'll go back to our design pile caps, put the pile first. We'll pile cap column, we need to put the pile first and then design pile caps. So now as you can see, more number of piles are passing. So in this way, by changing the dimensions of these piles, you can change the diameter of these piles or the length of these piles. After that, we can assure that all these foundations pass under the application of the loops. So this is the process of design of pile foundation in Tekla Structural Designer. So for more such videos, stay tuned to our channel and please give your feedback in the comment section, because through your comments only we get to know how you found this video and which topics you are interested in. So stay tuned to our channel, and if you want industrial training or training on Tekla Structural Designer or any other software, you can contact 9777 46 9666. Stay tuned to our channel. Bye bye.